Number 25 in section 3 asks us for this parametric plane curve, find the equation of the tangent lines where the curve crosses itself. We're not supposed to use technology, and so what I'm going to graph right here is not at all this function. I'm just looking at an example of a graph which crosses itself multiple times at one point being here. So that's going to be an x and y coordinate. And so we're looking for values of t, which when we put them in, we always get the exact same x and y value. Because that would mean we're moving and coming back to the same x and y value. Moving and coming back to the same x and y value. And so as you look at this, we ask ourselves, is there a t value that will give the same x and y value, and such that we can find another t value which gives the same x and y value? And in this case, the most obvious x and y value that we're looking for are 0. So we're thinking about the origin. And anytime the sine ratio is 0, x and y will be 0. So if t was 0, sine of 0 is 0, this will be 0, the y coordinate will be 0, and we found one t value for which the graph is crossing the point 0, 0. And it should be pretty easy to find another one. What if t was equal to pi? Sine of pi is 0, times 3 is 0, and sine of 2 pi is also 0. So pretty much every multiple of pi gives us an x and y coordinate of 0, 0. So when t is 0, or negative pi or pi, positive or negative 2 pi or 3 pi. So we can just take any two consecutive ones and we'll find out what the slope is there. So let's do the slope formula of a parametric plane curve. dy to theta divided by dx to theta. So here's our slope of dy dx. When t is equal to 0, we have negative 3 times 1, all over 4 times 1, which is negative 3/4. That's when t is equal to 0. What about when t is equal to pi? Then the slope is negative 3 times cosine of pi, which gives us a positive 3. And then 4 times cosine of 2 times pi, which is 1. That's positive 4. So those are two consecutive times when we cross this graph. And every time we have a t go to another value of pi, we'll come back and cross again. Okay, so the equations of the tangent lines there are y equals mx plus b, but b is equal to 0 because these are going through the origins. So y equals tangent, slope is 3/4. So positive or negative 3/4 x, something like that, and like that. You can go ahead and plot this plane curve with technology and you'll see that the graph looks something like this. And right at the poles where it crosses itself, the tangent line's equations are y equals 3/4 x and y equals negative 3/4 x.